Hey guys, Mike Hanselman, owner of Small Arms Pistol Academy, and today, entirely different. Get your kids away from smartphones, get them away from the damn television, take them out in the woods, teach them how to cook, teach them how to just explore nature. Here's me and my daughter hanging out. We're starting our fire. See how we did that? Alright, so we started our fire.
I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Now we're gonna add some cheese. If you're gonna cook out in the woods, you always need a K-bar, so thank you, Iraq. We've got our pork sausage. This is going to be a sweet sausage, thanks to Norton Brothers and myself for raising the pigs every year. We've got eggs, thanks to my wife, because she wanted chicken, so now we get eggs. Cheese from Wegmans, because I'm not going to make homemade cheese for this project. And little Hazel out here with me, and she's going to throw the eggshells out of the way.